Yo, what's going on, guys? Today, we're gonna be reviewing the epic Greenville update. Today, we're gonna be reviewing the epic fire update. Hey, yo, guys. So, this update includes lots of cars. Includes so many cars. I just can't believe it. Whoa! Oh my god, guys. So let's do this. Let's buy a car. Oh my god. I'm on it. Yo, guys. This is so epic. Please rate 5 stars and like the video. Okay, I just gotta... Whoa! 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 Guys, this is so cool. Guys, this is so freaking cool. Guys, oh my god. Whoa, you see this? Whoa. Guys, the car is going... Oh my god. Holy crap. Whoa. This is a car. Oh my god. I like this car. Oh, whoa, did you see that, guys? That's crazy. Oh, whoa, an airplane. Whoa, buggers. Oh my god. I cannot wait. Let's go off the road. I like being a rebel. Haha, lol. This is so epic, guys. Whoa! Did you see that? Wow. Wow, guys, this is crazy. You know what? Actually... Did you see that? I fell. I'm so random. Guys, let's go look at the new Greenville Fire Rescue interactive job. Whoa! Wow! I got into the job many times. Whoa, guys, this is crazy. Let's get my uniform. Whoa! There's so many options. Whoa, guys. Let's do this one. Yeah, yo, whoa. Oh my god, let's get out of my car. Guys, there's a fire. Oh my god. Let's get my job vehicle. Oh my god, I cannot wait, guys. Let's go to the fire. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, let's go to the fire. I cannot wait. Let's put out this freaking car. Whoa. Whoa, look at that spinny thing! Oh, yo! That's awesome! Whoa, what's this black thing? Oh, wow, that's crazy, dude. Oh, whoa! Whoa, I cannot wait to get to this fire, guys. It's gonna be so epic. I cannot wait. Let's get there quickly. Save the day. Wow. Alright. We're still getting there. Wow, it's gonna be very epic. I cannot wait to reach this fire. Let's save the universe. Lol. I'm going to go in this way. Oh, it's all the way over there. Whoa, that's so cool. They have new locations for the fires. Oh, no. I'm flat. Oh no! I'm flat, guys. Whoa, that's so sick! That's so crazy that I can have a flat. Whoa! Oh my god, guys. We're gonna get there so fast. Not with this epic flat. I cannot wait to get there even quicker now that we have this flat. Yo, so how are you? Oh, a plane! Oh my god! Oh my god, guys, look, there's a fire! Whoa. Guys, I cannot wait to get to this fire. Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa, guys, this is really cool. I cannot wait. Oh, it's on the other side. Oh, that's so intuitive! Whoa. I love putting out the fire, guys. Oh, dude, the music's so epic for this entire moment. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, look at the car. It got burnt. Oh, ha, that was a stupid username. Oh, rip your car, idiot. Haha, idiot. Dumb. Haha. Let's go review another car, guys. Oh, I love when it spins out. I'm gonna reset. Oh, wait, crap. I forgot. Oh, I forgot, bro. Bro, I forgot about this epic car. Oh my god. The SS. Whoa. Look at this car, guys. Wow. Wow. So cool. Oh my god, I can't wait to drive it. Oh, whoa, it's so cool! I love driving this car! Oh my god! Oh, it's so cool, bro! Oh, yeah, let's turn on the fire alarm! Yeah, man! Oh, dude, let's turn it on! Oh, epic break! Ha! Epic break, epic break, epic break! Labow, labow, labow! Haha, those stupid idiots. They'll never know it was me, those idiots. Let's go set off an alarm. Whoa. Guys, this update is so cool. I cannot wait to go and turn off another alarm. Let's turn on the fire alarm. Whoa, guys, I already have fans! Whoa, that's pretty epic! Whoa! Oh, he left! Whoa! Oh, wow, there's another airplane, bro! Dude, that's so cool! Oh, man! I cannot wait to pull this alarm. It's gonna be so funny. Oh, I hit a tree. Lol, that's so funny, bro. I'm so quirky. Oh, I could go and get the alarm. Let's hit the alarm, guys. Oh, whoa, I cannot wait to hear what this sounds like. Whoa! It sounds like the siren head. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. It's really the siren head. Oh my god, guys! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, I hear it! Whoa. That's crazy, guys. Anyways, guys, if you liked this video, make sure to rate 5 stars and leave a like on this video for new updates. It's gonna be very epic.